Want to easily convert your dollars into cryptocurrency using traditional payment methods? Here is how you can do that with Bybit's Fiat Gateway. Click on Buy Crypto to reach our Fiat Gateway page. You can set up an order and view payment details in one page before you select a third-party service provider. Enter your desired purchase amount, currency, and coin. Choose your payment channel. Click on Details to learn more about what your selected third-party service provider will require. Click Continue to proceed. You will be directed to the third-party service provider's page. Complete the KYC process. Enter your payment details and confirm your purchase. You will also be able to find a record of your past purchases under Purchase History. It is that simple. Start your cryptocurrency journey with Bybit. Bybit. Next level trading.